we're going to remove the 8 push clips that go along this front plastic panel here. Just lift up on it a little bit. You can use your little fork tool if you have one. Pull up on the center, and then lift up the outer portion. Okay, so let's get this hood cable off of here. It just slides off of the clips, just like that. Push down on this. It's got a little hooky-doo there. If you come down along here, there's going to be another piece of plastic that's the exact same way. To find that plastic, you just find the little plastic, the clear ear on the headlight itself. And then just below that is where you'll find the plastic ear that you need to grab with your screwdriver. That's what it looks like right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. So I just came down through, I went in between the headlight and this, and I pried it, and it popped it free. We're going to work our way over here, do the same thing. Lift this up over the stop. There we go. Let's find the clip for this ear. There we go. Pull this off of here. Just want to pay attention for these little flippy-doo ears here. They just sit down underneath there. We'll set this aside. Okay, so we removed the headlight so we can get to this clip right here. You just take your screwdriver, give it a little pry. You don't necessarily have to remove the headlight. We did it for the video, and we also did it because it's a little bit easier. Next, we're just going to come in through the wheel well, and we'll finish it up. Okay, so next we're going to remove these push connectors. You've got 1, 2, 3. Grab in the center, remove it. Grab that in a second. Okay, grab this. Just push it in and out of your way. Grab this pigtail, turn it counterclockwise, and pull it right out of here. Look at that bulb. So now you've got a lock right here. Just press up on that lock, squeeze this tab, draw this out. So we're going to remove these little, they're kind of like nuts. You're going to use a 11 millimeter. And this is all it's going to be holding in that lens, so be careful if you're pushing. You don't want to push your lens out. So I can get it to... Okay, so now we're going to come up here to the front. I'm just going to grab it, give it a little tug, and remove it. So our new lens assembly comes with a brand new socket and bulb, which is great. So I'm just going to leave those in there. Line up our holes here. Everything should want to press together. Should be able to press that in there. Nice. Okay, so let's get these back on here. I'm just going to start them on by hand, get them going. And then we'll use our socket and I'll finish it up. All right, so those are tight. Let's grab this. Got our little lock. Once you clip it in, you need to make sure you press this lock all the way down. Listen for a little click. Push that lock. Give it a tug. Perfect. Grab this. Slide that back up in there. Grab your push pins. You can start with whichever one you want. Get them all back in there. Let's go back up top. Okay, so we're going to look right here. You can see the little clip. Just make sure that that's in all the way. Give your lens a little tug. Make sure it doesn't come in and out. That looks great. So let's just test this marker light. There we are. That looks great. Okay, so let's get our grill back on. Bring it over. Grab your little hood cable. Just kind of carefully line everything up. Should want to all slide together fairly easily. Just over that. Okay. Need to make sure you get those lower hooks on. Press in along the side. This side locked in. Okay. Grab our little push clips. Get them all back in there. So let's get our cable back in. Slide it under there. Lock it in there.